Hello everyone, so today we will make a purse out of old leggings. So if you have old leggings there that you don't use, you can just use a purse, make it as a purse or a sling bag. And so the first step, I just cut the bottom part. Okay, and since this is very thin, so I decided I want to put a lining. So this is the fabric that I use, that it's also old, I don't use it anymore. And one thing, I want to make something different. I want to put something at the bottom. Okay, and I measure it from the fabric as well. So I measure from that and this side, so goes like this one and that one, and I want to put that at the bottom, and I will put the fabric in here as well. Okay, and since this one is not good, it's damaged already, so I want to put a flower design, and I want to use this fabric from this one. Okay, so we're gonna make it later on and I'll show you how. So I cut two fabrics. Okay, so now I turn it inside out, and I want to put the lining, the two linings in here and the other side, and for this one I wanna put this as the base. So what I did was I just put this in here and then I measured it, so it's like this. So I will put, so this is it guys, it's not done but I'm just preparing it. Oops, what's happening? Okay, so I put pins so you can see, so it's easy for me to sew it. I'll just sew it by hand, and I'll use this pink thread, and I'll come back. So guys, I decided I think I need to sew it together with the leggings. So there you go, it's almost done. You see, I just sew it all together. These are the linings. Okay my friends, everything is done. It's sealed already. Okay, so on the next one, I'll just put the other lining here. Hello my friends, so there you go, it's all done. It's done, just the lining. Okay, and now I have to sew this part, this side, and hello, so there you go guys, I already pinned them all together like this. So I'm gonna sew that later by hand, but if you have machines, of course you can do this. It's been really easy for you. And on this side I'll sew that too, and this side. Hello, so there you go, I sew all the sides, both sides. There you go, the other one is done. The other one, I'm almost done. Almost. Okay. It's gonna be done soon. Okay, I'll be right back. So there you go, guys. Finally, it's done. So look at this. Take a look. It's not ready yet. So I put all the pins in here, and then I will sew this one. You can either sew it by hand or by machine. Okay. Hello my friend, it's another day. So once again, just want to remind you that our linings are done. I did this because the leggings is too thin. So I decided I want to put another one. Okay, so I put everything already, it's all done, and now I will just fold this and sew it. Okay. Hello, so I'm almost done. I'm just folding it in here and I'm sewing it by hand. You can see it. I fold it and I do it in here. Okay. And just like that. Alright, it's very easy. Gently. So it's all done. I already sew this part, and I'll make sure that the thread is not gonna show on the front, so I just sew it to the linings. Okay, see, I don't see any thread outside. Okay, and for now we're almost done, but I decided I want to put a pocket in here in the inside. Okay, so I have a leftover fabric, and I want to make a pocket in here. Alright, so my friends, I have the pocket. Okay, and I'm going to sew it, and I'll show you when I'm done. So this is it. This is the pocket, and I am almost done. I'll show you how I sew it. I just sew it like this. It's very easy. If you have a sewing machine, of course, it's very easy to do it. I should have next time, or if you want to do it, you should just do this with the lining. While you're doing the lining, just do the pocket. I did not think about it. Then I saw my extra fabric, and then I remember, I said, okay, I just want to put pockets. So yeah, there you go. This is how I sew it. I just sew from the inside, and that's it. Very easy to do. Alright. Okay, there you go. Pockets are done. It's all good. I have to make to the other side. And the other side is here as well. It's open. Okay, so that's good. I think we're done. We're done for this. The linings are good now. The bottom one is good. And then I will show you now. Now this is the part that we're gonna see the purse. Or the sling bag. Whatever you can call it. This is my very first DIY purse or sling bag out of old leggings. Okay, let's check. Let's check. All right. So there you go, my friends. This is it. This is the front and this is the back. I like it so far. Okay, so I will not cut anything from the leggings. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm just gonna tie this together or make a knot in there. Okay, I think that would be great. It's very easy, right? It's easy. Yep, that's it. And on the other side, do that as well. Okay, there you go. There you go. There it is, friends. So it is. First, okay, that's the okay. And I think I will tie one more thing onto one more time. Last one like this. One more this. Okay. And I'll tie one more and then the other side. Now, and this one. You have it. That's it. Okay, and for this, I'm gonna tie them all together. This one. Okay. Let's see if I wanna make one more. Maybe I'll make one more knot. Okay. I'll check. I can make one more knot. Okay. So we have this knot. Naughty bag. Naughty purse. Okay. Okay. So I'll tie one more. And that's it. Okay guys, I want to show you. So this is it. We're almost done. Almost done, my friends. We have that and we have our 2 pockets inside. Put something. And in here, that's the inside of our purse. There you have it. I like it. So this part is not good, as you can see. So I decided I want to put something else. There you have it. So I sew them together. Okay, like this. Sew it from the inside. Goes like that. It's much better from the inside, so you cannot see the thread after. Okay. There you have it, my friends. It's all done. So I sew it together and head there. There you go. Okay. Hello my friends, so it's really done. That's it. Everything is done. As you can see, we're ready to use it. I did not put anything in there. Maybe if I have a zipper, I'm gonna put a zipper. It's much better. But for now I don't have it, so when I got a chance I will just put a zipper. And for this one, because there's a line on it, so I decided to put the fabric flower, and that's it. You can use it now. Okay, so let's test it. So I will put books. Okay, let's put the books inside. Another book. And let's put one more book. Okay, and this is the packet. They put 2 packets in there, and this one I put cards, and voila, it's all done. That's it. It's good to go. Good. So my friends, I put a rhinestone on. Did you see? That's cute. I just found it. And I decided to put it to give it a nice look. I really like it, and hope you can try it if you get a chance. For my next video, maybe I'll show you how to make this easy fabric flower. Alright, for the meantime, if you get a chance, please make this easy DIY sling bag from old leggings. Alright, so there's a lot of stuff in there and it's holding pretty well. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and we will surely make more videos for you guys. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.